Hello students, today we are going to do the topic of family and nature of salts. So it is very important to know the nature of salts, that is their solubility and their pH, whether they are acidic or basic. Now what are salts? Salts are compounds which have positive ion other than H positive. That is, in a salt, positive ion is never H positive and a negative ion is never OH negative. Generally, positive ion is a metallic ion of a metal, exception ammonium salts where the cation is not metallic in nature and the anions are acid radicals. So, basic radicals and acid radicals combine and we get the formula of salt, and general representation is MX. So when we say this, we also come to know that this part is from base and this part is from acid. So MOH is the general formula for the base and HX is the general formula for the acid. Now, to know the family of salt, we should know that there should be something common. Like there may be many Kapoors with different names, but the surname is Kapoor. Similarly, there are different salts. We have to find something which is common. Now that something may be the common basic radical or the common acidic radical. Yes. Now if we look on the board, I have written 8 salts. You can easily find out that first and second do not have anything in common. Third and fourth, yes, there is acidic radical that is common, that is sulfate. And then 5, 6, 7, 8, you can see sodium radical is the common. Sodium ion is the common ion. So we can easily say that this 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is 5 to 8, these are the salts belonging to sodium family. Whereas third and fourth, that is zinc sulfate and copper sulfate have common radical sulfate, so we say they belong to sulfate family. So this is all about the family. Now we come to the nature. Nature means whether it is an acidic or a basic or a neutral salt. Now children, for knowing the nature, we should first know the parent compounds, parent acid, parent base, from which the salt has been obtained. Here the basic rule is, please note down, strong acid, strong base. Okay, like we have here. Strong acid HCl, strong base sodium hydroxide. So strong acid, strong base sodium chloride, it is neutral and pH is 7. Now this salt is ammonium carbonate, so ammonium hydroxide, a weak base, carbonic acid, again a weak acid. So weak acid, weak base, neutral salt, pH 7. And these salts will show no change with litmus. Is this clear? So kindly note down weak acid, weak base combine to form a neutral salt, strong acid, strong base combine to form a neutral salt. Now the other way out, that is if the acids are strong. And children, you have to remember that inorganic mineral acids are strong, like hydrochloric, sulfuric. So these are strong acids. So now we have aluminium chloride, zinc sulfate and copper sulfate, which are the salts of strong acids, weak base. So when the acid is strong, the salts are acidic in nature with pH less than 7. And these salts, that is those salts which are acidic, pH less than 7, will change blue litmus to red. Is this clear? Now, these salts, you can see the base is sodium hydroxide, which is a strong base. But when we look at the acids, then here it is ethanoic or acetic acid, carbonic acid, again carbonic acid. So these three acids are weak acids, but the base is a strong base. So weak acid, strong base, so the salt will be of basic nature, pH will be more than 7 and it will change red litmus to blue. I think now this is clear. And now sodium chloride, I have already told you, strong acid, strong base. So it is a neutral salt with pH 7 and it will not change the color of blue to red or vice versa. In neutral solution, the color remains purple. Now we come to the solubility. So it is very important for us to know about the solubility of the salts because we have to use salts for various purposes. So students, all these salts which I have written here, 1 to 8, that is ammonium carbonate, aluminium chloride, zinc sulfate, copper sulfate and so on, are water soluble, right? So for your information, kindly note down that the salts of sodium, potassium, ammonium and nitrate salts are always soluble. Sodium, potassium, ammonium, nitrate salts are always soluble. Chlorides are generally soluble. Exceptions are chlorides of lead and silver. Then sulfates are generally soluble. Exceptions are sulfates of barium and calcium. Carbonates are generally an insoluble salt. Carbonates generally insoluble salts. Exceptions are carbonates of sodium, potassium, ammonium. Right? So this is all about the family and the nature of the salt. General formula MX. Thank you.